Good morning. Let's do the pre-market review for 4/24/2019. We're looking at the weekly chart here. We can see that we have a fairly strong bar already made for the weekly. Got a decent amount of volume already at the extreme of this bar. Looking over to the side, there's not a whole lot of volume left to overcome. There's no real large nodes higher. I think we just kind of continue up here to this 3027 level. Looking over here at the daily, again, kind of mapped out the extremes here based on the ATR. You can see where we're trading right here. So we've got about 23 points to go higher here, which will be over the all-time highs. So it's definitely within range of a regular trading day to get over the top. Volume was pretty decent yesterday, so I think with the euphoria and with the market breaking out of this range right here, you got kind of a chance to trade sideways today as a pause day. Maybe trade back onto the top of this candle right here, if at all possible. But I think they continue to push the market today to a higher level. If we look kind of here at the profile on the daily, you can see that profile node, the volume node that we've kind of created. You can see that there's no volume at all in here until you get down to this top wick part right here, and really there's nothing until you get all the way back down to 2915. On the way up here, you've got just a couple little volume nodes left here, so not a whole lot of levels on the way up. Just keep that in mind that there's not a whole lot of resistance on the intraday here. You can see that they're already starting to buy it up from the lows. They had a little bit of a sell-off overnight, which is pretty normal. Balance area, buying it up already. I've taken that first swing right here and mapped it out, and you can see that they've already did 100% range extension of this range up to here, and that you could probably follow this through, and that might be the next little range extension when they break out where it goes to. This level maps right here to a volume node that I showed you on the daily, so you might be able to look at it that way, and it kind of matches up with the 50% on the on that range right there, and you can see that it's matching up right there on that range too. So Delta, they've kind of added 2,000 contracts already this morning in order to get that move right up there. You can see that the sellers are kind of defending the very top of this, but as soon as they turn on the algos, it'll move right through that area probably. Not sure what else to really tell you. There's a volume node that's already been tested right here, so if we came back, there's a good chance that we would maybe test the bottom of it, so break through this line, maybe move to the next line where there's a next little volume node. But this doesn't look like it's gonna really hold the market up. It's not until you get down into this particular area that you've got some kind of structure and volume to really provide some support. And I think we're off into air at this point, and The levels won't be really good up above, but use this, you know, Fibonacci tool with the extension, to kind of predict your next levels. Don't make it too fancy. Remember, the market has a lot of symmetry, so it's gonna move in waves of the same size. So, good luck trading.